MSI's RTX 3060 Ti Gaming X LHR delivers smooth, high refresh rate gaming at full high definition and strong performance at quad high definition thanks to NVIDIA's efficient Ampere architecture and ample video memory. The dual fan cooler with the Torx fan 4th generation design and a substantial heatsink keeps temperatures and noise in check, even under extended gaming or rendering loads. Factory overclocking out of the box provides a noticeable performance bump over reference designs while remaining stable and power efficient for everyday use. Subtle customizable lighting along the shroud lets you sync the card's appearance with the rest of an addressable color build without looking overly flashy. Build quality feels solid with a reinforced backplate and sturdy overall construction that helps prevent sag and makes the card easy to handle during installation. Being an Amazon Renewed unit, this card has been inspected and tested, so it arrives performing essentially like a new board, while giving a second life to existing hardware.